Imagine cutting down your commutes to minutes while staying connected to everything Sarjapur has to offer. Welcome to Arvind Silve by Arvind Smart Spaces. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Arvind Silve by Arvind Smart Spaces located in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the surrounding of our project. Right now I'm standing exactly inside the land parcel and just behind me is the marketing office of our project where you can correct each and every details and even you can have a look at the model flight which is ready just for you. On my right hand side we have the land parcel. So let's have a glimpse of the land parcel over here and even the main entrance is coming up right over here. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So stay tuned until the end to know everything about this project. Well, before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview where our project is spread across 8.6 acres of massive land, developed in phases where phase 1 is launched in 4.9 acres. Consisting of 4 towers, with each tower rising from 2 basement ground and goes up to 17 floors. Here you can choose between 3 and 4 BHK premium homes. We have 370 units in all with maximum of open space, so you can call it as a low density project. Now coming to the location part, and our project is located bang on Ambalipura Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where I'm standing on the main entrance of our project and right in front of me we have Ambalipura Sarjapur Road where this road will take you towards HSR layout and the opposite side road will take you towards Sarjapur. Basically, we have easy connectivity towards HSR, Kormangala, Belindur and Kadubesanahali. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part where you can connect to St. Patrick's School in 180 meters. Wipro Koretti, that is just 450 meters away. Decathlon 1.4 kilometers away from our project and Motherhood Hospital that is just 5.5 kilometers from our project. Now about the amenities part, and Arvind Smart Spaces is coming up with 50 plus lifestyle amenities in this project, including multi-purpose court, fully equipped gym, kids play area, landscape garden, sports court, restaurants and many more luxurious amenities. Now if you're the one who is looking to buy a home in Bangalore, then here's a strong recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. Many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, if you purchase a home by paying a token amount and later on try to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, my recommendation is to watch the series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go watch it once. Coming to the super built-up area, and as mentioned, we have 3 BHK and 4 BHK options available where 3 BHK starts from 1503 and goes up to 1848 square feet super built-up area, 4 BHK of 2254 square feet super built-up area where these homes are designed with premium specification, spacious layout and modern interior. Coming to the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Arvind Silve by Arvind Smart Spaces located in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. If you are looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.